Hi, let's buzinize it. بنی آدم اعضای یکدیگرند که در آفرینش ز یک گوهرند. چو عضوی به درد آورد روزگار، دگر عضوها را نماند قرار. تو که از محنت دیگران بیغمی، نشاید که نامت نهند آدمی. Let's industrialize it. Let's electrify it. Let's machinalize it. Let's digitalize it. AI. Let's humanize it. My name is Sudabe Vedavars, and I'm the founder of SVQMF Framework, a quality standard for realization of succeeding as a mutually to achieve reality. I'm the founder and the CEO of SVQMF organization, and I'm happy to introduce you Evolution 5. Let's humanize it. I'm there to help and to guide you through SVQMF framework to realization of succeeding. Get your part of SVQMF now. I guarantee you, we doesn't fail. Book your appointment now and let's begin. SVQMF organization is happy to serve you. Let's meet here. www.svqmf.com. Thank you for your thinking, for your point of view, and for your attention.